Are you looking for the who makes the best drafting compass? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best drafting compass on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Mr. Pen Geometry Set with 6-inch swing arm protractor, divider, set squares, ruler, compasses and protractor, 15-piece set. Are you running around in circles trying to figure out how to draw perfect discs? Well, keep calm and get Mr. Pen. This cool kit comes with 15 pieces of geometric tools, guaranteed to give you great looking shapes, no matter if you're a beginner or an advanced user. In this package, you get 2 metal compasses, a study one that's suitable as a math compass, while the other one is a graphic compass, meant to hold pens and felt-tip markers, besides a pencil. There's an extra lead for the graphic compass in case you use it more often than the study one for more serious purposes. Also enclosed are 2 normal pencils and 1 mechanical pencil for the compass, 1 pack of 0.5mm lead for replacing in your mechanical pencil, and 1 metal pencil sharpener. The study compass can be used to draw perfect circles of radius between 1/4 of an inch up to 5 1/4 inches. You can use the graphic compass to draw circles of radius between 1/4 of an inch and 6 inches. To make marking easier for you, the kit includes a metal divider with a pair of sturdy legs, one for the center and the other for marking. If you're working on uneven surfaces, the divider is a great measurement transfer tool. The entire pouch with the geometric set is easy to carry around and is reusable, making it user-friendly. The geometric tools have measurements marked in both inches and centimeters, so that you can use whichever one you're more comfortable with. At number 2. Staedtler Comfort 2PC Metal Quick Setting 6 Compass Set, 55201. For precision, ease of use, and flexibility, this German brand's compass is the best all-around option. It's made of zinc and plastic, but don't let that latter material dissuade you. This is a sturdy tool with a satisfying weight, and it's easy to move in graceful arcs without its anchor point slipping. You can set your desired radial length either by turning a central wheel to slowly move the arms, or by pushing 2 sliding buttons for faster adjustment. The lower half of each arm can also be bent inward, so you can widen them while keeping their points perpendicular to the paper surface. This compass comes with a lead attachment and extra leads, as well as an adapter that grips writing implements as thick as a standard Sharpie. At number 3. Drafting Compass for Geometry Set. For a compass that can handle large projects, we recommend the Drafting Compass for Geometry Set. The set includes a small and large compass, and an extender that can be used with the large compass to create circles that are 24 inches in diameter, much larger than the max 10-inch diameter of the other compasses on our list. The set also includes lead, a sharpener and a container for the lead. A stylus that can be used in the handle of the compass or separately is also included in the set, which comes in a reusable plastic case. The set includes an e-book with details on using the compass and the extender, as well as tips on dealing with geometry problems. The compass can become slightly unsteady when used at its maximum 24-inch diameter setting. At number 4. Mr. Pen Professional Metal Compass with Wheel and Lock for Geometry, Drafting, Math, Drawing. Feel the accurate grip and easy to adjust. You could change the diameter easily and quickly. Just turn the wheel center to make a precise adjustment, while the push button positioned at the mid-leg function to make a fast adjustment. The wheel is also beneficial to keep the leg from moving, so that the circle is drawn accurately. Shockingly, you can extend the range and make a circle with a diameter up to 183 by means of the extender stick. Furthermore, the universal adapter will fit pencils, pens, mechanical pencils, and even Sharpies. It's obviously an ideal geometry compass for high schools. Mr. Pen GP01 is a nice compass that has great functionality and features. We recommend it for high school students or professionals. Watch the video review to get to know the entire features here. At number 5. Offizeus Professional Compass for Geometry with extra lead refills makes 10-inch circle. This is one of the best drafting compasses that's great for not only students and professionals, but also for carpenters as well. What makes it so tough? Well, unlike other compasses, it's not made of plastic. Its metallic body makes it more durable than its plastic counterparts. From simple to more intricate woodwork, this drafting compass has made many a carpenter happy with its sturdiness and precision. If you've ever been in a situation when you're trying to draw a circle and the legs of the compass move away, then you must try this amazing math compass. It comes with an adjustable center wheel with locks, making sure you cut exactly the circle you have in mind. The center wheel can be easily adjusted so you can change the radius of the circle as many times as you want. It's also anti-slip, making sure your art doesn't turn into a disaster. It's safe and great for kids and adults alike as it can be used easily, giving you your dream circles each time you try. The bonus is that this geometry compass comes with plenty of accessories to save you the trouble of buying these separately. There are 9 spare leads measuring 2 mm, steel needle nibs, and extra nuts and screws. You can use these easily for replacement without using any tool. You can do away with regular pencils as this drafting compass set is used with mechanical pencils only. You can stash away the entire package in a transparent, portable and reusable pouch. At number 6. Offidea Professional Woodworking Compass with Wing and Pencil Holder, 12-inch. Sometimes you just need to draw massive circles. This is a heavy-duty compass built for demanding projects, and it's perfect for drafting giant circles and arches all day long. Made of a thick carbon steel and with a sizable length of 12 inches, it won't skip or slide out of your control. The arms simply pull open or close, and a locking mechanism keeps them firmly in place. One arm has a holder for screwing in pencils and pens, and the other has a point with good tooth to stay put on surfaces from wood to leather. At number 7. Make Study Geometry 10-piece set, includes 2 metal study compasses. For a more compact set that still includes the must-haves for geometry class, we recommend the Make 10-piece set. Included in the set are a study and graphic compass, both made with durable metal that is resistant to bending or flexing. The compass heads have an ergonomic design that makes them comfortable to use. The compasses can draw up to 10-inch diameter, and the set includes the necessary ink refills, pencil and pencil sharpener, required to use the compasses. The clear plastic protractor, a ruler and 2 triangle rulers, are also included in the set. The plastic case can be difficult to close and breaks easily,